Good evening, everyone. I just wanted to do a little forward to this video. I didn't really notice it until I was actually editing this video. You hear people, and especially there's a little youngster that is definitely not happy in the background. And I hope y'all just bear with that for just a little while. And at first I was kind of upset until I realized, this young couple brought their small kids and they're out camping. They're out enjoying the outdoors, and really that's what we should be promoting. So instead of getting mad or a little bit upset because they were in the background of my video, I was like, good on them. I'm glad they're out there doing the things. So anyway, just keep that in mind while you're watching. But anyway, let's get on to the video, and I hope everybody has a great day. Good afternoon, my friends. So we're out on another camp this week, and I brought my buddy Andrew from ACR Protect is here meeting with me.
Howdy, gang.
This park, we're at Lake Livingston State Park, and this is actually where we met here, and I think it's actually been about 3 years ago that we were here, and we met each other for the first time, and we got to enjoy 28-degree weather. We decided we're going to do the opposite of this time, and we're going to lose about 10 pounds sitting out here. So we are going to get camp set up here real quick. Shouldn't be too hard. I will show y'all what we got going on here in just a few minutes. But yeah, Andrew, thanks for coming out here and sharing this with me.
Absolutely.
So,
another little adventure.
Absolutely. And we're going to get out here and we're going to get camp going. May find a nice cold beverage because it will feel good right now. But anyway, we'll see y'all here in just a few minutes, and glad y'all stopped by. So here is our accommodations for the night. It's just a screen shelter. It's here along with other screen shelters that are all, so we came camping with all our close friends that we've never met. It's actually a pretty cool shelter. It's got screens on it. You can see the screens. But it might have a few holes through the walls. Let's check this out. That should hold out a Texas mosquito anyway. No, it won't. Beautiful area though. Let's go through the DMV kiosk here. There's Andrew smartly staying in the shade. We're in shelter number 4. Ooh, so here we are, home sweet home for the night. Look at the floors. And I'm not really complaining, but we've got screen on the windows. Need a screen underneath the floor, because if you can see through it, they can fly through it. It's got like a little loft area. Here, I'm just gonna raise y'all up. I can't even see what y'all are seeing. And I'm not going up there. Have no need to crawl up those little steps. But yeah, we're fixing to get our gear going. We've been goofing off here for about 15 minutes or so. And we're going to get after it. Well, we had to take a break. We already had a nice latte. While we were waiting, I had to cool off a little bit. The old brains just start scrambling with the heat. Already sweated down, but it feels pretty good underneath the shade tree. So we've got us a couple of Miller lattes this time.
They're actually the non-beer.
Yeah, this is a Texas State Park, so we had to get the non-alcoholic version of Miller lattes.
Just for you, Billy. There you go.
So, cheers, my friend.
Yes, sir. Cheers.
Cheers to all of y'all. So, I brought Andrew a little package here too from the house. We're gonna hand that off to him so he can enjoy. Move you around and see what we got.
Oh wow, okay. What do we got? Oh my. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Randall's Little Adventure stickers. These are done by Sister Krista, yeah?
They are done by Sister Krista.
These are amazing, and I know how amazing they are because she makes mine as well. And
Right.
the quality is on point. And oh my gosh, look at this. The Randall's Little Adventures patch. That is epic, sir. Ah, those look so good. Those look so good. Who did those?
I actually had those done online,
Okay.
and if I could find somebody more local to actually do them, or within the community rather, I will definitely switch over.
Those are awesome. Thank you so much.
Oh,
I
you're
can't
welcome.
wait to rock those on my gear. I'm gonna need another fishing vest to rock patch it. I'll be like a weirdo biker that doesn't bike. Just the vest and patches.
Just got outdoor stickers stuck all to it.
Stickers and patches. Thank you, sir.
Oh,
Those
you're
are
welcome.
awesome.
You're welcome.
I love them. That'll be great.
Well, we're just going to sit out here. We're fixing to, I don't know what we're fixing to do. Right now, we're just sitting in the shade, trying to cool off a little bit. But here in just a moment, I'll take you in and show you what our accommodations turned out like. Looks pretty good.
It does. It does.
What's happening, man? Maybe we'll have something for you here in a little bit. I see you. I don't have nothing for you yet. Oh, it's going to be one of them squirrels. He'll be running up your pants leg looking for what you got.
Right.
Well, welcome to our disaster. Oh yeah, every time. Can't go camping without completely just destroying the table. Got Andrew's cot. Got him a nice, large, comfortable cot. And then we have my nightcat backpacking cot. Just a whoopee. Probably be sleeping on top of it. Too hot. That fan feels amazing. If you're interested in sitting out here in Satan's picnic area, it's ready to go. No, thank you. So, this chair, real world issues. Remember those feet I was talking about? Yeah. Well, she's stuck. She's stuck in there. Come on. And there it went. Let's dig her out. It's not too far in here. That's ridiculous. So no harm, no foul, but you can definitely tell these will still sink into the ground. I mean, nothing's foolproof, but yeah, real world. And we got a little appetizer going. Just threw that on. That'll be delicious. So we got round one with the appetizers off. Man, it is good. What is this, got cheddar in it?
A little cheddar sausage from HEB.
It is good.
It's delicious.
Let's give it a whirl here. I'll try that one right there. Oh yeah.
Perfect bite.
Mm.
For the record, food always tastes better, one, when you're camping, and two, when you eat it off a dirty knife. Just so you know.
Yeah, I'm not going to tell you where this knife's been. You'll eat better.
Pairs well with that beer too. You know, it surprises me. I can't believe these are calorie and fat free.
I would like to say thank you to everybody that has subbed to this channel. You're making it happen. I really appreciate it. We've got the grill preheating, and it's almost time for round two. Looking forward to it. The day is coming to a close.
All right, you're gonna get this in stereo right here. So we got Randall's grill right here. If you have not checked out his video on how he improved this, you are not living your best life. Like I said, it's Texas, it's June, damn near July. We are not doing a fire. And you know what? If you don't like that, come fight me. And I will use the sun.
But you have to sit out here 6 hours before you do.
Yes, yes. So we have what I like to call Texas Twinkies. These are from HEB. These are bacon wrapped, brisket stuffed jalapenos with cream cheese. These are the nectar of the gods right here. If you don't like these, that's okay. You know why? That just means more for Randall and myself.
Absolutely.
All good. For those of you from across the pond, Panda, I'm talking to you. You come over here, Randall and I will take care of you with the grub. That's all I'm saying. You can do better than haggis. You can do better than haggis.
Absolutely.
So, we've got our jalapenos on there. We got the flies doing what they're doing. The key with jalapenos, especially on a grill, is you got to do them face down first.
Yep.
All right. Took my glove off there, and it's only because of the bacon, and I don't want to wash my hands. I do have my special seasoning right here. We're going to give these what I like to call a little dusting right there. A little dusting on those.
That looks great.
Just like that. We got to leave a little bit for when we flip them, right? We can't go too crazy.
Give a dusting for the grill.
Well, yeah, one for my homies.
Yeah,
right there.
one for the homies.
One for the homies.
Look at the smoke coming from the
homies.
homies.
And as our buddy Shy Guy would do, thumbs up right there. I have a creepy thumb, I know. It's all right. Thumbs up for his channel too. We're going to cover these up just like that. We'll probably give them, I'm not familiar to this grill, but I'm going to say 8 minutes.
Yeah, about 8 minutes.
8 minutes and we're going to flip it. And we will be back.
That is an amazing sunset. I tell you what, we sat out here, we have sweated, we've had a good time, we've drank a few beverages, but this is what it's really about. I mean, look at that sun. That is absolutely gorgeous. Get out there and enjoy it. Look at this bad boy going. There's smoke boiling out of here. Let's open it up. Oh yeah. Jalapeno poppers. Just put them on. We're going to take a look around the camp. There's ACR right there. The chair. I mean, come on, people. This is great stuff. Oh yeah, it doesn't get any better than this. It really doesn't. All right, we got the last off, and it's time. We got some. What do we got here, Andrew?
We got some O'Brien style potatoes with seasoning and cheese. Pairs well with our primary entree, which you'll have to wait and see. You can't just get the answers now. You have to wait and see. But potatoes always take a little bit more time, so we're gonna pop this open.
Just put them on the back.
We're just gonna go right back here. Got those wrapped up.
Oh yeah.
Look at
oh
that.
yeah.
Oh yes. Call that tin foil surprise right there. Over white. Look
Oh
at
yeah.
that.
Oh yeah. Go baby, go.
Oh.
You got you
I've got myself
a jalapeno.
jalapeno poppers.
Yeah, let's take one of these and give it a whirl.
Texas style. A little cream cheese, a little brisket, a little bacon, little
Yes.
seasonings.
Yes.
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 I didn't hear a no in all of that.
Yes.
Why say no when it feels so good to say yes?
Let's go.
Cheers.
Oh, that's really good. Mm-hmm. Outstanding.
Gang, if you're not going out here
Mm.
and enjoying your grub when you're cooking out here on these camps, you're just not living your best life.
Absolutely not. So, it is completely dark outside, but I want to show you all this if I can. Steak and potatoes. Oh, that T-bone steak into potatoes. Oh, that is divine. All right, guys. So it is about, I don't know, 11:55 at night. There we go. Barely see me. We got the flashlights out. We turned out the main lights. But, yep, fixing to hit the bed. So, I hope everybody has a great night. We're fixing to lay down, try to get a few hours of sleep. It actually feels pretty good in here. We got the fan going. Of course, I got my little personal fan. This little dude right here. Feels pretty good. Last all night. And we will see you all tomorrow. Well, that is just terrible, terrible lighting. There we go. Yeah, that's wonderful. That's what I really needed in my life. Anyway, y'all have a good one. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Morning, everybody. I would say good morning, but I think I slept about 5 minutes last night. Maybe. I don't know. That is probably, I hate to say it, that is probably the worst night of sleep that I ever gotten camping since I started this channel. And I have no idea why. I mean, it was a little warm, but it wasn't bad. I just couldn't sleep at all. I tossed and I turned, and whenever you turn over in that shelter, the whole shelter creaks. So I finally just got up. It's like 5:45 in the morning. Just come out here and sit by the water. Give me a little diabetes in a bottle, which I don't drink very often anymore, but I was feeling like one this morning. I didn't want to wake up Andrew, and I just kept moving around, so I just got out. At least one of us can sleep well. That is one big nutria rat. I thought it was a daggum alligator head at first. So I was checking out these cabins a little more. I mean, is it just me? This thing looks like it is severely leaning, and it looks like it was built that way. I mean, these cabins are really unique, and I don't know if I mean that in a kind way. I mean, this thing looks like it was built on about a 5-degree angle everywhere. I mean, good grief. This is one of my favorite parts. Somebody was in a fever dream when they built this. I mean, it's like a bunch of 12-year-olds got high on cocaine and put this together. And I'm here for it. No tools needed, just make it up, put it together. It's awesome. Hey, where are you going? He's like, what you got in the garbage sack?
Hi, how are you? Pleased to meet you. Let's see.
I think quick is the
key.
The key. In fact, I'm gonna stand back a little bit.
Could have used a little more water.
What we're having this morning. Horsepower coffee.
Add a rinse, of course, so after I do my little stir there.
Injury might have made drilling mud. That is going to take us places.
It is. I'm having to put some body weight into it to press it through. There we go. Maybe some room for that creamer right there. He has this fancy cup. I've just got this little basic bitch plastic one. Just to let the record show, the flies don't come with the coffee. So there we go. Got yourself some of that.
Oh yeah.
A little French vanilla for our French press horsepower coffee. You can leave that open if you want to do a little, but the same splash in mine would be
All right.
perfect.
Whoop.
There we go.
Use the creamer for backdrop.
Look at that.
That looks delicious.
It does. It does.
We moved to India.
Again, we moved back to the country and we got it.
We'll keep doing that. We're going to find an Indian one of these times that's not going to be happy.
Like, listen, I do not like it when you make fun of me, but I know that I did not mean to do that on purpose, good sir. That was not my intention.
I'm going to spill it. Let's try this out. That's definitely staying in.
Is it?
Yeah. That's amazing. Oh, wow. That is really, really good.
It is, isn't it? Like, I'm not even trying to make it. So that you didn't get to see Randall's first sip, but you got to hear the reaction, and that's usually what it is. So, cheers, gang.
Cheers. All right, we're going to drink this and reevaluate our life choices.
That is some good coffee.
That is great coffee.
And then look at that view. That's the view right there. That's what we got. The water there, something missed. All right, we're gonna enjoy our coffee and catch up with you in a few.
All right, guys. Well, that's pretty much going to wrap it up. We've got camp all packed back in the vehicles. All our trash is packed away. The only thing we're leaving here is a little bit of DNA from sweat. So
I'm literally dripping right now. It is.
What time is it?
It's not even 9 a.m.
I mean, it's like second day 2.0, already getting sweated down.
Tacky.
But
sweaty, yeah.
I mean, this is what happens. I mean, this is June in East Texas. I mean, it gets hot quick and it stays hot for a long time. We're definitely, if we do this again, we definitely need some air conditioning.
Agreed.
No, I don't think either one of us slept worth of crap. He might have got about 15 more minutes of sleep than I did, and I only got 5. So, I was feeling pretty rough when I woke up this morning, but man, after that coffee, I told Andrew I'm ready to push my car home now.
Well, tip of the hat to Sister Kristen, Horsepower Coffee. Thank you for providing the coffee for this camp
It
trip.
was awesome.
We literally went from slugs to
Yeah, ready to go.
ready to go, just like that. It's really good coffee. Go check it out. Go pick up a bag from her. Support another YouTuber.
Absolutely.
It's good stuff.
But yeah, so we're fixing to beat feet and both of us go different directions, but it was a lot of fun.
Absolutely.
The food last night was absolutely phenomenal.
The food, the company, the drinks, all welcome. You know what wasn't welcome? The humidity and heat. That was the only thing that wasn't welcome.
It's never welcome, but yet here we are. But anyway, guys, if you hadn't done so yet, go check out ACR's channel. I'm going to go ahead and put the link in the description. Show him some support. If you like my stuff, you very well may like his stuff as well. So go check him out. Help these small content creators. But anyway, we really enjoyed it. I hope y'all are having a great day, and we will see you next time. Take care, my friends.